If 3x plus 2y equal to 8, can the products xy be 10? Or is there a hidden maximum? Let's express y in terms of x. 2y equal to 8 minus 3x, y equal to bracket a minus 3x bracket over 2. Then the products become a function of one variable. xy equal to x times bracket a minus 3x bracket over 2 develop as bracket ax minus 3x squared bracket over 2. So now we were maximizing a quadratic expressions. And that's where the structures appears. Let's complete the square. Adjust the squares, develop as minus 3 times bracket x squared minus a over 3x bracket equal to minus 3 times bracket quantity x minus 4 over 3 squared minus 16 over 9 bracket. Because once we do, the maximum become obviously. Further simplified, xy equal to minus 3 over 2 times quantity x minus 4 over 3 squared plus 8 over 3. Since a square is always non-negative, less than can never be positive. So the maximum happens when the square equal to 0, means x equal to 4 over 3, xy equal to 8 over 3. So no, it can be 10. The maximum is only 8 over 3. A linear equation, a quadratic curve, and a hidden maximum. That's the beauty of structures.